Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, first day of July. Remember, this is a holiday week. Friday is an off day. Looking at our forexfactory.com news, you can see that we've got a ton of red items just by glancing at it. What are they? Well, we've got an orange item, ECB President Lagarde speaking at 9:30. Um, We've got some Great Britain news. Great Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking. Also, Bank of Japan Governor Uda speaks. And in the U.S., we have Federal Chair Powell speaking. So Powell is actually going to be speaking at 9:30 as well. So you've got a bunch of big boys speaking all at the same time. 9:45 final manufacturing PMI, and then at 10 more red items. U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI, and the JOLTS job openings. Again, big number. Lots of people watch that as a gauge for employment. Also, ISM manufacturing final prices, construction spending month over month. Then we have the tentative, it's a low impact item, the tip economic optimism. All day long, the ward's total vehicle sales for the U.S., and then at 4:30, we have API Weekly Statistics Bulletin for the U.S. So lots of stuff and a bunch of red. Be aware, be careful. Yeah, moving on. Taking a look at the daily chart. Boy, we came close up here to these previous highs. Didn't quite get through them. We're backing off a little bit right now. Also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to the upside. Remember how I always talk about the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s? Well, there's your 7 up days. Whether we pull back, how far we pull back, don't know, but certainly a relief, a little bit of a relief pullback would be useful. Probably the low volume node right in here, 62.12, is certainly within range. The high volume node is also 61.90 on the downside. Upside, really that all-time high back here, 62.82 is still within reach. And then once we get above that, we're off to the races. And we have no volume, no prior history to use technical analysis for. So is what it is. Moving on, looking at the inventory. So one of the things, you look at this just at a glance, you say up price, up inventory. You don't think too much about it. Because it's correlated. However, if you look at the details down here, at 3 o'clock, we were negative, and we were negative most of the day until that last hour where we came up. So I'm thinking that this is a little bit, these are, again, profit taking. We're up at all-time highs. It's really getting nosebleed. So there you have it. Looking at the overnight action. Overnight action was only 30 points. So don't know what that means other than 30 points is just slightly above the longer term average, but it's certainly less than what we've been experiencing over the last few weeks. Look for support and resistance. If anything jumps off right in this area, 62, 67 top side, look, there's very little above that. And that's because we're into new all-time highs. So really not much on the top side from a resistance perspective. On the downside, we've got a little bit of confluence down here around 62.21, 6,200. Scrunch this up a little bit more. There's something, some decent stuff around 61.90. We go a little bit further down. 61.40 has some confluence as well. So there you have it. Stock Trader's Almanac today is kind of weird. It's got a 90.5% chance, from the Stock Trader's Almanac for the probability that the market will go up today. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.